Want to hide your Facebook friend list? Here's how. First open Facebook app and then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap on three line at the top left corner. Next tap on the settings and privacy option. Then select settings. Scroll down and tap on how people find and contact you. Now tap on who can see your friends list. Here you will see many options. You can select only me if you want to keep your friend list completely private. You can also select friends or another audience option based on your preference. Once selected, now tap on save, and that's it. That's how you can hide your Facebook friend list. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.